so I'm going to go over some valve lapping. So this is just going to get us a better seat in between the valve and the head. That way it provides better compression. It's not too hard. You can do it by hand. There's a couple ways to do it, but I'm going to do it by hand. This is your main ingredient for sure, valve grinding compound. And then here's some tools you can use by hand. You can also do it with the drill. It's not the best way to do it, but it definitely works. So we're just going to put a little bit of compound right here all the way around the edge. We'll put the valve in. Make sure you don't get any of this stuff anywhere it shouldn't be, especially like on the shaft and stuff. It will destroy your head. So as you can see, I got some on the bottom. And I'm just going to stick the valve in. Turn the head sideways so we go all the way down. We're going to take your tool and just start turning. Doesn't have to get crazy, but you hear how gritty it is. So we're just going to keep doing this. And I like to kind of make sure that I get it 360 as well. Do it here a little bit and then turn a little bit more. So I'm not going to bore you, but just keep doing this and I'll kind of show you what it should sound like here in a second. So you hear how it's not grinding anymore? It's more of the sound you're looking for. You can repeat this process multiple times. You can pull the valve out, wipe it down, put some more valve grinding compound on it, and do it again. I'll show you what it looks like here in a second. All right, so you can see it's much more uniform. And I didn't take that much time on it. I could definitely do a little bit more because it's not as uniform as you probably like on this one. But that's what it used to look like. So way better. And here's the seat of another exhaust valve. Huge difference. So yeah, just make sure you clean this up really good, like I said, after you're done. This head needs some work. If you got any questions, let me know. Please like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.